Susuportahan niyo, ma'am, yung bagong leadership po?
May 13, di ba? Common sense, di ba? What's in the rules? What's in the Constitution? When you have 13, yun lang. So, hindi sumunod sa rules, doon naman kami may problema. Pero pag sumunod sa Constitution at sa rules, no problem. That's just how it is.
Thank you, ma'am.
Majority rules, yan naman po. This is a collegial body. Tapos na po. So, let's move on with the new leadership, with the new majority. This is democracy. Sa first 6 years ko po, hindi po ako nag-absent. Gusto kong magtrabaho tayo para sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino. Sana maging normal na po ang takbo rito sa Senado. Marami pong madidelay na batas, mga bills na dapat ay natugunan na noon pa. Halos 1 buwan rin po ang nasayang.
Start na to, ma'am, ngayong nangyaring may bagong liderato, 13 sila.
Every day is a fresh start, and we welcome, recognize, and congratulate the new leadership who are dear friends, who are competent public servants, and we in the minority, because I remain to be in the minority, will collaborate for the good of the Filipino people.
Buong minority block po kayo, nire-recognize na ninyo yung bagong Senate.
13 na eh, diba? 13 na. Nung 12, hindi pa. Pero 13 na. Di ba yun naman ang sinabi ko? What is Rule 2, Section 2 of the Rules of the Senate? All officers of the Senate will be elected by a majority of all its members. 24 divided by 2 plus 1 ay mayorya. Diba? Mula sa simula naman ganun eh. Yeah. So, thank you, family friends. 20 years.
Ma'am, tanggap ninyo, pati po ba ng entire minority block, tanggap na yung new Senate?
Oo naman, yes.
Including APC?
Oo. Nag-concede na siya kanina umaga. Oo naman. Simple lang to. Pag may mayorya ka ng 24, a majority of all its members, then you have the leadership. Ganong kasimple. Sundin lang natin ang rules.